Welcome to Eima Fashion Design School. Are you passionate about fashion but don't know where to start? In this video, we'll guide you through the first steps of becoming a fashion designer. From sketch to stitch, fashion design is the art of applying design, aesthetics, and creativity to clothing and accessories. A fashion designer imagines, sketches, and creates garments that express identity and culture. To become a successful designer, you'll need to develop core skills like fashion sketching and illustration, sewing and garment construction, knowledge of fabrics and materials, observation and trend analysis. Here's a simple path to get started. Learn to sketch. Start with basic fashion figures, croquis. Understand fabrics. Know the properties of cotton, silk, denim, etc. Master sewing techniques. Practice hand stitching and using a machine. Study patterns. Learn to read and draft basic patterns. Create your first project. Start with a simple skirt or top. At Eima Fashion Design School, we guide you from the basics to professional design techniques. Our program includes pattern making, garment construction, fashion illustration, textile knowledge, portfolio building. Ready to start your fashion journey? Subscribe to Eima Fashion Design School for weekly lessons, design inspiration, and hands-on techniques. Your vision, your future. Let's design it together.